somewhere on campus right now. A tower of textbooks, a fortress of coffee cups, and one student Googling how long is a semester. Here are 8 idioms from college. Number 1, hit the books. The books will not read themselves. Believe us, everyone has waited. Hitting the books means studying seriously, starting immediately-ish. Number 2, pull an all-nighter. The paper is due at 9 a.m. It is currently 11 p.m. and the title is done. Pulling an all-nighter means working straight through until sunrise, and regret. Number 3, burnout. Week 1, unstoppable. Week 9, a husk in a hoodie. Burning out means collapsing from running too hard for too long with no oil left in the lamp. Number 4, a cram session. One night, 14 chapters. A questionable energy drink. A cram session is stuffing a semester of knowledge into one desperate evening. Number 5, make the grade. The bar is set. Clear it or repeat the class with people younger than you. Making the grade means meeting the standard when it counts. Number 6, the ivory tower. High above the ordinary world, scholars debate whether chairs exist. The ivory tower is theory floating free of all practical contact. Number 7, a crash course. 6 months of material, 1 weekend. Helmet recommended. A crash course is the fastest possible education in anything. Number 8, graduate with honors. The chords, the medals, the extra clapping. Graduating with honors means finishing at the very top with receipts. And that is 8 idioms from college. Congratulations! You have now graduated this video with honors. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.